scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Series like this look scary, but they collapse fast once you spot the pattern. And in under a minute, you can lock the right answer. This series is exactly the Maclaurin expansion for cosine, because cosine x equals 1 minus x squared over 2 factorial plus x to the 4th over 4 factorial, alternating forever. So take x equals pi over 3, and the whole infinite sum becomes cosine of pi over 3, not an exponential or geometric shortcut because the powers are even factorial terms. Now evaluate it. Cosine of pi over 3 is 1/2, so the series sums cleanly to 1/2, and that matches option A. Well done! Option A! Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given series and check steps so you match cosine before evaluating.